Maiya yebirebiga hanigo kumanya una ritko lero mugavana we county ya Nyamira Omoese Nyaribo niga ikigwa bosi we Senate maiga yebunge ye county ya Nyamira kobeka omuswada nabo igoko yuetia boko mwaka isiko gati ya mamochali ya mubwatraniti mugavana we county yo ngamona okokora ebikaro mamincha nelichiko lyebunge ye county ya Nyamira asebaro setie bunge mashinani wakanwa chibesa marakabere nonye maga ye bill ya nyagitali wakanwa gwetera NHIF nabo igo okolika abakoli emerimo mamincha ne budget ye county ya Nyamira kurende maga yo kunengia amagana yonsi nigo bono iga mugavana we county yo aberega Konyora Omoese ase kurende aba senator aba bagwaka chikura nabo igo wanchirana abega kuiranirira obokoleri bwaya.
Now, Honorable Senators, the result of the division is as follows. Ayes 38 votes, nays 4 votes, abstention 0. So the ayes have it. Now, Honorable Senators, I have a communication to make regarding the effect of the vote on the motion on the preliminary objection. Now, Honorable Senators, the motion having been approved, the hearing on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, Governor of Nyamira County, is hereby terminated. Further, as you will recall, the Senate at the sitting held on Tuesday, 2nd December 2025, resolved to alter its hours of meeting on Wednesday, 3rd December 2025 and Thursday, 4th December 25, in order to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Governor of Nyamira County. In these exceptional circumstances, and pursuant to Standing Order 1, I direct the clerk to circulate a further supplementary order paper containing a procedural motion on the hours of sitting for tomorrow, Thursday, 4th December 2025. Now, Honorable Senators, you will note that you passed a motion here that you were to sit for 2 days. That's Wednesday, today, and tomorrow. We were to sit tomorrow from 9 until conclusion of business. Having passed this motion, we need not sit tomorrow in the morning, but we need to do that via a motion. And that's why a supplementary order paper has been circulated. We passed the procedural motion so that instead of coming here tomorrow at 9, we come here tomorrow at 2:30. We treat it just like a normal Thursday.